Oh, the mountains. Mountains are getting frosty. I see you. I see you. Winter in Vancouver is like that awkward kid in class that like wants to sit beside you and talk to you. So he pulls up a chair and sits there, but never really talks to you. Doesn't snow. It gets sort of cold. It's like, is it okay if winter's here, guys? Guys, is it okay if winter's here? And then like, as long as we all ignore the fact that it's happening, it just goes away. Before we leave, let's take a second and appreciate how much stuff we can fit in this tiny ass car. I know some of you guys are here more for just the car stuff and you don't care about like the merch, but that's more for me just to mark like I did that. Like I filled that entire bin with your guys' orders, and that's, to me, that's absolutely insane. Something I never thought I'd be doing. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today what we are gonna be doing, actually, you know what I can do? I probably look like an idiot. I just realized on my, right here, I was looking at the screen and I saw that Continental banner. One of you guys actually sent me that, which is super sick, and I'm not getting rid of it. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm also gonna take it down. Thank you, I'm keeping it, and one day when I get a bigger shop, you'll damn right see it on the wall there. The reason I switched those is because MagnaFlow is actually sponsoring the Spool into Spring Rev Battle that I'm going to. They are one of the sponsors for that show, which is awesome. They're helping the BC Honda Owners Club put that show on. And I'm gonna be there, I'm gonna have a booth, but more importantly than selling stuff is I get to meet you guys. So I'm gonna be there. Definitely Civic's gonna be there. Hopefully the 240 will be done, even though we haven't started it. I'm pretty sure that event's like May 19th. There's a link to the event right here. Anybody that's Vancouver local, I'm excited to meet a lot of you guys there. MagnaFlow is one of the sponsors. They get their banner. Anyways, what we're gonna be doing in today's video is another Wish install. I know you guys are probably, honestly, truthfully, I'm almost sick of the Wish installs. I'm ready to start changing it up with this Civic. There's gonna be a vote right here. Would you guys rather us keep it budget Civic until you guys have seen it? Because it's one thing to see something on the internet, but when you see it in person, it's an incredible thing. I've personally had people that I love watching on YouTube and I see their cars in person and I'm like, wow. And I think it'd be sick if you guys saw this in budget form. Would you rather us just leave it budget and just do other projects for now, and then you guys can see this car this summer? It'll be all over Canada and down into the States a little bit as well, which is sick. Or would you rather us just keep going with this and eventually it'll stop being budget and it'll just start being a crazy ass Civic build? There's a vote up here. Go vote on what you guys would rather see. Today we're gonna put some Canards on this guy. I've had so many Wish parts just sitting in my garage for so long. So today we're gonna put some Canards on. These are from Wish, like I said, and they were 15 bucks. So they're $15. There's 4 of them. I think I'm only gonna use 2 of them. I'll show you guys why, but. And like my thought was, because these are just universal, right? So you kind of have to make them, you have to put them where they're gonna fit. So like these guys are probably gonna fit best. They're actually not really gonna fit at all, but we can just do something for now. Oh, right there, right there. These are gonna fit best right here, which is cool, and it would look cool, like, you know, there's a little front canard on it. But I feel like it'll be too busy if we put a second small canard up here. Like if we have like doubles, like a small one and then another one. You know what, for today, I'm just gonna put the one canard on. I think that's what looks best. I'm gonna put the one on, and then depending on what we do with this car in the future, I'll keep the second one and I'll probably add it on eventually. But also, a lot of you guys ask why this window is always taped. I was gonna tint this window and then I put the paper here one day and it's just like so solid that if you look over here, there's like no light on the car. But if you look behind this tape, that giant rotating orb detonates light all over the car. Yeah, that's why it's there, guys. Because otherwise the whole car would look all splotchy and weird, and then the camera focuses on the light spot and everything else gets dark. It's just got these little L brackets that I guess you just gotta drill right into the bumper. And then it's got like a nut and bolt that are gonna secure the L bracket to the actual canard. And then it's got these little black screws that I guess just go right in the bumper. I'm don't know, like it looks cool, but it also kind of looks like shit. I'm not gonna lie, like on camera it just looks like ass. Does not look good. In person it looks a little bit better than it is on camera, but something about it just doesn't do it for me. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's too pointy for this car. I feel like this whole car is so round and like a little bubble, and this edge is just way too aggressive for this car. All of a sudden I'm in this weird mood. I was like super stoked to put these on and now I'm like, oh. Okay, I came up with a plan. Do not comment or anything. Do not do anything until you hear my plan out. I'm gonna install these and then I'm gonna tell you guys what my plan is. I think you're gonna like it. Okay, so I got them on. I was playing around with them. I put like the smaller one back on here now that one is like actually bolted up. And I still think that that's just too aggressive. What I want to do is I want to get away from this thing. So basically, like my thoughts are, I don't really like the way they look, but that might just be because we're so close and like I can't see the whole car with them on it. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. Sometimes you do a mod and while you're doing it, you don't really know how you feel about it. But then once it's done, you look at it, you're like, yeah, you know what? That's actually pretty cool. So I'm gonna let you guys vote if we keep them, if we round them, if we just completely ditch them. It'll be 100% up to you. And before we go anywhere, instead of writing on the list, I'm gonna write right here. They were 15 bucks, but they're not on the list yet because you guys haven't voted for them. If you guys vote to take them off, then off they will come and I don't need to worry about putting them on the list. Okay, so here it is. Let's see what you guys think. I'm honestly, I won't care either way you guys vote at this point. I'm not gonna care. I think rounding them would make it look way, way better. Like I was saying, I think the most important part here is that they're too sharp. They should be rounder. If they were like smooth with the body lines, I feel like they'd look 10 times better. But yeah, this one's totally on you guys. I 100% do not care. Round them, take them right off, leave them. 100% up to you. Right up here, there's gonna be a second vote, so go up there right now and vote and let me know what you guys think. And that's basically gonna be it for today's video. I'm sorry today's video is kind of short and kind of boring. I just really wanted to throw those Canards on. They've been sitting in the shelves forever and I just needed to get rid of them. I hope you guys enjoyed the Civic in today's video because tonight it is getting a pretty big transformation. I wasn't planning on making a really short video like this, but me and Emerson had kind of plans tonight. And if they fell through, there would have been no video for you guys tomorrow. So I did this to make sure you guys got your Tuesday video. I have to close it a little bit early so I can get some stuff together so that me and Emerson can transform the Civic. Transform it in a way you guys are gonna like. Well, most of you guys are really gonna like the transformation. I'm not worried about it. So that is it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is right here, if you guys want to stay up to date and you guys want sneak peeks on what that transformation is. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't voted, I honestly base this stuff all off your votes, so don't think that you don't matter. Vote. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.